Hello guys, I'm your host or instructor. My name is Vargang Panchal and you are watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. Today, this CBT is going to be very different because as we all knows that many changes are coming day by day in IT world, such as in older time you were using physical server and clients and giving support to company and their projects. Then time changed and virtualization came in picture and we all IT guys are upgraded their self. We were upgrading into virtualization. In a meanwhile time cloud computing concept came and many companies started selling their cloud, such as Microsoft launched Azure Cloud, Amazon launched AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google is also working with cloud and many more other companies were selling their clouds. I also accept that if you are upgrading yourself, you have various ways to upgrade yourself such as classroom training, one-on-one training, online training, computer-based training. We have varieties in computer-based training like paid or free. Free means as you are doing on YouTube with AS Network Zone YouTube channel. But now time is to upgrade the skills with Docker and Kubernetes. Almost daily we got ping from AS Network Zone YouTube family and also got many emails, WhatsApp. You all guys were requesting and also giving suggestions that me and my team should work with Docker and also should create video on Docker topic. So this CBT is for Docker topic and also I try to give many answers of questions which were asked, such as what is Docker and how does it work, what is the purpose of Docker, what is Docker language, what are the benefits of Docker, who invented Docker, why is Docker so popular, is Docker an operating system or OS, is Docker like a VM, is Docker a cloud, can Docker run Windows apps, and many more other questions are there. So let's move on Docker topic. So let's start with some basic terminology of Docker. What is Docker and how does it work? Well, Docker is a tool designed to make it easier to create, deploy, and run applications by using containers. Containers allow a developer to package up an application with all of the part it needs, such as libraries and other dependencies, and ship it all out as one package. If we talk about what is the purpose of Docker, then its primary focus is to automate the deployment of applications inside software containers and the automation of operating system level virtualization. It's lightweight than container and boots up in seconds. Next question is, what is Docker language? So Docker is written in the Google Golang programming language. If we talk about what are the benefits of Docker, then let's go over the top advantages of Docker to better understand it. And the advantages are return on investment and cost saving, standardization and productivity, CI efficiency, compatibility and maintainability, simplicity and faster configurations, rapid deployment, continuous deployment and testing, multi-cloud platforms. Next point is who invented Docker. So Solomon Hike is a founder of Docker in 2010. At the time it was called .cloud. If we talk about why is Docker so popular, then I want to tell you Docker is popular because it has revolutionized development. Docker and the container it make possible has revolutionized the software industry, and in 5 short years their popularity as a tool and platform has skyrocketed. The main reason is that containers create vast economies of scale. If we talk about is Docker an operating system? So Docker is a set of platform as a service product that uses OS level virtualization to deliver software in packages called containers. Containers are isolated from one another and bundle their own softwares, libraries and configuration files. They can communicate with each other through well-defined channels. Next point is, what are Docker images? A Docker image is a file compressed of multiple layers that is used to execute code in Docker container. Docker will use resources isolation feature in the OS kernel such as cgroup in Linux to run multiple independent containers on the same OS. If we talk about how is Docker different from a VM? Well, Docker is container based technology and containers are just user space of the operating system. In Docker, container running share the host OS kernel. A virtual machine, on the other hand, is not based on container technology. They are made up of user space plus kernel space of an operating system. Sometime many guys ask a question, is Docker a cloud? Then I want to tell you the Docker is an open source environment of product containers. When Docker get integrated with the cloud, it is named as Docker Cloud. Docker Cloud is an official online service to deliver Docker products. Several online services like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, etc. are present for enterprises in today's date. Next point is, can Docker run Windows app? You can run any application in Docker as long as it can be installed and executed unattended, and the base operating system support the app. Windows Server Core run in the Docker, which means you can run pretty much any server or console application in Docker. Next point is there a free version of Docker? Then I want to tell you Docker Community Edition is free to use and download. With basic Docker Enterprises Edition, you get the Docker platform for certified infrastructure along with support from Docker Incorporation. You also gain access to certified Docker container and Docker plugins from Docker Store. Next point is, what is Docker Engine? Well, Docker Engine support the task and workflows involved to build, ship and run container-based applications. The engine create server-side daemon process that host images, containers, network and storage volumes. And in last, I want to tell you important thing about Docker. The default port number for Docker is 2375. It's unencrypted, and 2376 is encrypted for communication over TCP, although you can choose any other port number also. Thank you for watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. If you really like this CBT, click on like button and also comment us which section you like most, or if you have any query, you can also comment us.